Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change the language on Realme C67 device. Some of you prefer to use your native language or a language you are more comfortable with on your phones. Changing the language allows you to navigate and use the device more easily. Okay, the way to do that, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, and then here please scroll down. And then you can select System option here. Well, and then here will appear some settings related to the system on your device. And then please select the language option. Okay, after that here you can see there are three options between system language, region and app language. And then if you want to change the language on your device, you can select the system language option. And then here you can click on add a language. And then you can select the suitable language for you. Well, now you can delete the existing language by pressing three dots in the upper right corner. And then click remove. After that, select please the existing language, and then remove it like this. Okay, and then now the language on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the language on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.